Hey guys, you are welcome to OBS Tech, and today we are going to unbox and review the TCL Alto 7 Plus 2.1 channel soundbar. It comes with a subwoofer and have an audio power max of 320 max audio power. A nice device. As you can see the design in here. It's a very nice device. It supports USB, HDMI, and many other things. So let's dive in straight forward. Let's see what is entails in the box and get it out. So looking at the box, that's the subwoofer right there and the bar on top. So in the box you have the cables and the remote also. The remote comes with 3 modes. We have the music mode, movie mode, and news mode. That's the power cable. Also in the box you have the manual, which entails how to mount the device, how to connect the device to your television, how to connect it to your Bluetooth device or any other device. So that's the manual for you. And also we have the warranty card whereby you can fill those details in terms of any damage to the device. You have a 1-year warranty on the device. So that's the device, a very nice device. Looking at the device, the design is a very nice one, neat one. That's the remote, that's the subwoofer, and the sound bar itself. It supports HDMI, whereby you can connect to your television, play 4K games, play everything in terms of movies. You will have a nice feel of the device, quality sound, and it supports Dolby audio too, and that is going to give you a nice feel in terms of watching movie. You are going to feel like the thing is happening right before you. So on the top of the sound bar we have these 5 modes. Has the power, the source, Bluetooth, and at the back too you are going to see the audio input, the power input also, and the aux input port there. And on the other side too we are having the HDMI, we have the USB, and we have the optical cable connection port. So these are the indications, the AC in, HDMI, optical, and at the back of the subwoofer too we have the power input port at the back. So as the soundbar has been mounted, and these are the modes. We have the aux input, we have the Bluetooth mode, we have the HDMI mode, optical mode. So that's it, and we have the movie and news mode. So thank you for watching the video, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. The sound of the soundbar has been given a try.
So my Toby Bank, I'm a one uncle, and you sit there with your bitty bank. My hands are clean, my heart is be up, and still I know they get to. I went on the run, and Baba God still I no get them logo. And I'm for the pressure to be so me my young cut is get through. But if you be the man to go so any day, I read my Bible.